All right, so here's a look at this adjustable height stool. Now we got this for our garage, but I want to bring it in here. Our garage is a mess. You don't want to see it. This is what we got for the garage. It's got a nice thick base to it, so you can see how wide this actually is. A lot of stools that are like this are very small, and when you're on top of it, you can feel kind of uncomfortable that maybe you're going to kind of like tip over, or you just don't have enough room to sit. But I needed something in the garage while I was working at my workbench, and I also wanted to make sure that I got something with a back, because again, sitting there being on a stool can kind of be uncomfortable. So if you've got something with a back, it's a lot nicer. So let me go ahead and sit on here and I'll show you. It does have a spring or a shock that's on the inside, so when you take a seat, it does have a nice soft landing to it, so it will move quite a bit. It's also going to have adjustments. Like I said, right now we're on the highest, and you can see my feet are pretty much barely able to touch the ground, so it does go up pretty high. Now if I push this down, it goes all the way down here. So now my feet can go, and I'm almost at a 90-degree on the ground. So much adjustability, and that's one of the first reasons that I bought this. Is I wanted to make sure that I had something where I can always adjust it, because sometimes I'm going to be sitting in my workbench. Other times I'm going to be kind of like in a standing position where I just need to take a quick seat. So having the ability to adjust this from very low all the way up to really high like this, maybe I just need to do a quick seat or like something like that, then I like the fact that you could adjust it up and down. Then down here at the bottom, we've got our foot piece. Now this is adjustable as well, so if you wanted this to be higher or lower, kind of just depending on your preference and your height and everything like that, you can adjust this down. It's really easy. It's just got this spin dial. You can move it up and down, find the position that you want, tighten it up, and now you can see even if I stand on it, it's not going anywhere. Now the wheels that are on the bottom of this are going to be your traditional caster wheels, nice and easy. You got 5 of them. This should work for pretty much any situation. I think a lot of people are going to be utilizing this in places like their garage where the ground is flat. But if you got somewhere that's going to be a little bit bumpy, it should still be fine. It's not going to be as good of like a rollerblade wheel or anything like that, but they're pretty smooth, and I feel like they work just fine for this kind of situation. The chair itself is super smooth. You can see that it spins around nice and easily. So if you're on top of here and you're constantly moving back and forth, you can see it's going to spin around. It'll keep spinning. It'll keep spinning. It spins quite a bit. So it's nice and smooth. It's not going to be like a cheap quality one where, you know, it just like back and forth. I like the fact that they made it nice and smooth. Down over here on the back, you can see that this back seat is not really going to move. So if you're looking for something that is going to wiggle quite a bit or have adjustability, this isn't it. This is more of a firm back piece that's actually going to give you some stability when you push against it. It does have a little bit of give, but just enough so that it doesn't snap or anything like that. But overall, I feel like I'm super happy with this. It is a nice large size stool, something that's very customizable up and down, and this is going to work perfect in our garage. So if you're looking for something like this, I would definitely recommend this one.